Anywhere me go, anywhere me go, yeah. Anywhere me go. See that chain around me neck, you a 0 degrees, brother. Girl, all I tell me say me cooler than the breeze, brother. Can't keep one girl after she no secret. Love all girl, but props if she freaky. So right about now, me G's, you don't know say it's a different day, so it's a different vlog, you know what I mean? Right about now, me there, I'm just a bill, and me say, yo, blessings and respect for Father. I'm going to support the next vlog, cause right now, you could literally do anything, or the anywhere in the world about me, the writer, so I support yet a next vlog. So I just want to say blessings and respect for that. So I just want to say today we don't show what we are doing for today yet. I'm going to show you my pepper tree, and my pepper tree I do so good. I'm going to show you it. Today just one of them days there, wherever tree they take away, it take away. You catch him? You catch him?
Hello, sunshine. How are you?
Nearly dead.
$1 million not to post it. It was just a tap of water, that's it. I ain't want to wet up your headphones. What? He over here watching porn?
Watch a video and drop asleep.
I see it. Let me close this now.
What's that candy?
So Candy brings some worm for the spider. I'm about to go feed right now. I say worm, and the worm if you sell some cricket, but the one is small. So now go see me feed the spider today.
Oh, you know, that's what I was telling you to do.
Do what?
To go get cricket.
Jesus Christ, man, Candy. Oh my God.
Password.
Open.
No.
I don't know too many words.
Try to somebody knock you out.
Me know. Me have a feeling. Yo, they're small though.
Yeah. Because
They're too small.
Yeah, remember she have a baby, so we have to go put 2 of them in there. But you got so much.
Cause him hungry.
How much you need?
A lot.
Fried him, no?
Good for him.
Can't believe him, man, really frightened.
Yo, you may jump up and freak candy.
Candy!
Please.
Post it.
Please.
Post it.
Please.
Post it. Yeah, get it sitting and take out one of them for me coming on.
I was gonna say why you open it.
Alright, me just not me, I don't know, we will jump asleep or whatever, but that's freaky.
Yo, so all of the candy, you really a post it? Right in us in the hide. Man, thing come out so you can see. See him grab him. See how quick him grab him. Sitting there, because I know him a bite candy in the day, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute! That was him! You don't know, who I represent for y'all, let's eat with the bush. Bush. Watch out now, wait, hold on.
You want him to jump out?
Watch out now. Watch out now.
Can your lizard come put in eye?
Which one?
The one that she have.
Oh! Come on, just say carry take go.
Take go and name him. I can't the little lizard me attack, he be the dragon.
She don't have that. She never, you bring it?
No, me I said that him fi can come put in a this name it.
You see his stomach hanging open like mine?
You're lying! You're lying!
Give me my spatula.
You're then you know me.
I'm trying to
put
give
the back in my room.
Yes, sir. I have to deal with.
The famous one, my one like 2 times bigger than that.
In big your friend. When you know so the rain a fall from where there, and my pepper tree them a flourish. Look there. My pepper tree them literally a flourish, people. The one here, yo, a pepper tree them I don't. Cause me no remember plant so much of them, you know. If I ever bush this, I'm there I talk about pepper tree. Yeah man, you look at the pepper tree.
Droppers hike, man hike. Can't the droppers sleep. And the man walk up with the snake one hand.
Trappers catch candy. My phone dead. So we couldn't get nothing. So we have to go over to Trapper. A 2 things going today now. Trapper candy come here come catch you asleep.
Yeah.
Then Trappers go back go catch back candy. How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless?
Yes.
And the man go for his snake and put, well, we have to go over to Trapper's vlog. If you go watch the vlog there. And see what go on. Oh, they said them are going to work out. Look how his skin out. Una match today. Una red and black.
Where's she not red? The one red? Let me see. Where is that follow me?
Una black and red and white shirt.
She has that follow me.
Well match out and things.
Stop man, sure.
So cute. Look all him have him up to match.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
So you can kill him.
Yeah! You hungry? Don't drop it for me, no?
That's all in do at the daytime, you know. Give themselves talking.
I'll try.
So one yeah.
Can you just spoke?
My phone.
Yeah. I'm not feeling right here, so. This is like oh yeah, eat. You really fought on me, can't you?
So y'all, I'm just leaving.
Candy's leaving. Travis is sad.
Can't get that one. I'm looking so strong. It looks like that. This is like a mother.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, My G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it in a